Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to give you one secret in the market. Very powerful, but this is something you would need to go and study yourself. You need to go and look at the charts and see how it works, so you get to understand it better. Okay, so this secret has to do with the opening price of the day. The opening price of the day is very, very powerful. Okay, so I already have my period separator on. Okay, if you've been watching my videos, you know I use period separators. Okay, so right now this level is the opening price. All you just need to do is get an horizontal line and place it on the opening price of the day. Okay, so this you have right here is showing you the beginning of a new day, the broken line, which is the period separator. Now all I need to do is to place an horizontal line at the opening price of this candle, which is the first candle that formed for that day. So the opening price is a bullish candle. The opening price is right here. You can see where I placed the horizontal line. That's where the opening price is. Now all you just need to do is to wait for price to break this line. Okay, you need candles to break this line and move in a certain direction. So based on how the based on how the level was broken, you would know whether the actual level is going to be a resistance level or a support level. If it is broken to the downside, then it's going to be a resistance level. If it is broken by series of candles to the upside, then it's going to be a support level. Because once it is broken to the upside, when price comes back to the level is going to support price, and price is going to push higher, giving smart traders opportunities to buy. If it breaks with a series of candles, it breaks to the downside, it's going to come up again to that level, and that level is going to be a level where smart traders can sell. Okay, so let me give you a few examples so you understand what I'm trying to say, because you might not get it the way I'm just saying it. Okay, so I have my opening price level perfectly drawn. Okay, if you study this well, you would notice that a series of candles did what? Broke this level to the downside. Okay, at first price moved up, that's just a manipulation. Then a series of candles broke this to the downside, so it implies that this our level is going to act as resistance. So when price comes back there, we are looking to do what? To sell. So we had a little pullback, but it did not get to the level. So let's keep scrolling to see what happened. Wow, so right here you can see price tapping into that level, and that level is acting as resistance to push price in the downwards direction. Okay, so that's one example that I have for you. Let's move and see if price came back to that level again. Price didn't come back to the level again, so you must have made your money with that downwards movement. So this is a new day. All I need is my horizontal line. Let me use the same horizontal line. Where is it? Okay, move it down a bit. So basically this is a very, very powerful system that I'm showing you today. Okay, so you need to just go on your own chart and check it out. Okay, so this is a new day, and we had a bearish candle kicking off the new day. So I just need to place this horizontal line on the opening price of that bearish candle. Okay, so the opening price of that of this candle is right here. Yes, let me balance it well. Good. So that's the opening price of the bearish candle. Okay, so we just need a series of candles to break in a certain direction. As you can see, it's just one candle that broke in the downwards direction, so we're not going to count this. We need a series of candles to break the level and move in a certain direction, and we got that in this direction, meaning this our level is going to act as support. Don't forget, I mentioned a series of candles. Shouldn't be just one candle. Okay, so let's move and see what happened when price came back to the level. Price almost tapped into the level, but almost, as they say, does not kill a bird. So we can't enter this trade. We need it to come to the level. It has to tap the level for it to be valid, for us to be able to enter. Okay, so it tapped the level right here. And gave us a beautiful buying opportunity. So smart traders would have entered a buy trade around here. Okay, so please, if you are getting any value, please subscribe. That's the only way you can encourage me to keep giving you this in-depth analysis and knowledge for free. Okay, so let's see. Price came back here again, tapped into it, showing you that the level is very solid, and gave us a beautiful upwards movement, which you can see right here. Okay, beautiful movement. I think we have gotten into a new day. Okay, not yet. Let me see. I think I can take one more example. I want to take one more example before call it a day. Okay, so this is a new day. Let me get an horizontal line. This is the last example I'm going to take, and you can see that the very first candle of the day is a bullish candle. So I'm going to place an horizontal line just at the opening price. Okay, so I have an horizontal line at the opening price, and you can see we had an upwards movement. Price came back and tapped on that level. If you check this upwards movement very well, it's as if it moved from below then broke. But you can just say, okay, you can wait for price to come back to that level right here, and it still gave us a buying opportunity. The idea is there should be candles, series of candles moving as though it broke the level. Okay, so once you see that happening, that will give you an idea of where price wants to go. This example is a little bit different from the rest because the break did not the break is not very clear, but I can see the break. Okay, even though this blue candle right here, which is a bullish candle, is in the previous day, if you analyze it very well, you would see that the blue candle aligns with these other candles. So it looks as though the break was to the upside. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So you need to be very smart when it comes to this system. So I can see that the series of candles that broke that level are these candles here. Okay, then it came here and acted, found support right here, which pushed it up. Let's even say you were not certain of what this level was going to be, just because it's a little bit different. You were expecting the break to happen after the candle that formed the first candle of the day. So let's say you didn't take the trade because you were not certain. For this to have played out like this and you had these upwards movements, that should tell you that this level is a very strong support level. Okay, we even have an order block right here which pushed price and broke structure. I think I'm giving you some other things that are kind of advanced, but I believe those that are intermediate traders and maybe advanced traders also definitely are going to understand what I'm trying to say. But for beginner traders, if this last example confused you, just focus on the others. But this is definitely a level from which you can actually buy, because we had a combination of an order block. We also have a strong level, which is our opening price level, which has bounced price in the upwards direction before, so we expect it to happen again, and that's exactly what happened. So you could have taken your trade here if you missed the first one. All right, so if you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.